Hello everybody, my name is Riccardo Castello and today I would like to present to you our latest development, the Alpha XS. It has been developed initially for inline trim recycling primarily on blown film lines. However, it could equally be used to recycle offline reel scrap, flake materials, sticky or extensible films, and even trims for thermoforming sheet lines, for instance. The model you will see here is designed for inline trims and offline scrap reels. One of the first points to note is that the Alpha XS can reprocess these products simultaneously thanks to its unique screw design. The trims will always be the master, the roll feed unit will automatically start and stop based on the level of trim being fed into the extruder. The Alpha XS, as with all the PLASMAC range of machines, are what we term direct extrusion machines. For example, you do not need to reduce the material before feeding it into the extruder. Within the extruder, we have a unique cutting system where two fixed teeth cut the incoming product into smaller, manageable pieces, allowing them to fit directly into the extruder barrel, where the material is melted, mixed, and ultimately formed into pellet. The Alphas all use what we call short screw technology. This short screw technology has a host of benefits which I'd like to explain to you now. Firstly, short screw technology or SST means we apply very little shear to the material, the resident time in the barrel is reduced, and we typically run the materials being processed at 20–25% lower temperature than you would do on the extrusion line. This means the material has an absolute minimum of melt history being put in it and a minimum amount of shear, and therefore by default the absolute minimum amount of material degradation takes place. SST also means we can use smaller motors and gearbox to turn the screw process the material. We also need fewer heat zones. All of this means that Alpha XS is without doubt the most economical machine on the market. It uses less than 10 kilowatts of energy to produce up to 50 kilograms an hour of material, meaning it produces more than 5 kilograms per kilowatt or less than 0.2 kilowatt per kilogram, ensuring you get the quickest return of investment possible from such a machine. A short screw also means a compact machine. The Alpha XS has a footprint of less than 1 square meter, meaning you can fit it in even the most crowded of production halls, or the smallest of spaces, freeing up valuable floor place for other operations. The pelletizing system is a completely new design. The hinked front door with integrated Dyson motor and cutting system allows for simple cleaning and easy access. The drop-down design means a smaller blower can be used to delicately transfer the pellets to the cyclone and collection bin. All these changes again mean a more energy-efficient, operator-friendly machine producing the highest quality of pellet. The versatility of the Alpha XS design means it can be fed with a variety of feed system. It can be supplied as an inline trim-only machine without screen changer. For inline trims and reels, it would normally come equipped with a manual screen changer. It's possible to fit a flake feeder, a roll feed unit only, even PLASMAC unit super trim system for mechanically conveying extensible or tacky film. Finally, when processing material other than PE, it can be supplied with a compact water-cooled pelletizer for even more flexibility. So in summary, I present to you the Alpha XS, a market-leading machine for energy efficiency that is super compact, extremely versatile, and produces near-virgin quality pellets. Thank you.